Hello everyone. Number 166 residue calculation. From 0 to infinite 1 over x cubed plus 1 dx equal 2 over 3 times root 3 times pi. Why? And center there, radius Earth, this circle on shear 1 and shear 2, and small circle shear center point E at pi over 3I, this point, singular point, equals 0, and radius small r, and the integral root C1 plus CR1 plus T3 plus T3 minus TR plus TR2 plus C2. And this crossed curve is C. And C f z dz equals this is equal 0, because f z is a holomorphic function at the crossed curve C and within C. Then f z dz C equals 0. This is by Cauchy's basic theorem. And if CR1 plus CR2, if that is equal 0, then R close to infinite, C1 plus CR2 equals 0, and T3 relates, and C1 plus C2 equal this item right side, and this is and CRF that is equal from pi over 2 minus epsilon to 5 over 2 pi minus epsilon, and f that is at epsilon close to 0, then and equal integral section is equal epsilon 0, 5 over 2 from pi over 2 to 5 over 2 pi, and a minus 1 over that minus e at pi over 3I integral. Fz Laurent series expansion, and 1 over z minus e at pi over 3I item, this coefficient a minus 1 and equal, and z minus e at pi over 3I equal small r times e at I theta. Then and dz d theta times and equal 2 pi I times a minus 1 point C. This is, and more calculate that close to e at pi over 3I, this is 0, 0, then derivative over derivative that close e at pi over 3I, and this is 2 over 3 pi e at minus pi over 6I point D. And next C2. After dz angle 2 over 3 pi, and that equal eta times e at 2 over 3 pi I. Then dz d eta times and e at 2 pi I equal 1. Then and D and E into A, and this is, and C2 equals, this is, and equal 2 pi I a minus 1 equal, this is, and this equation. And this calculate equal, this is, and e at 2 over 3 pi I equal, this is, and e at minus pi over 6I equals, this is, and this value equal large A. Then this is, and this is, and two side multiple 2 equal, this is, and multiple two side multiple 3 plus root 3I equal, and equal large A equals 2 over 3 times root 3 pi. Once more, this equation, and this is, and this equation, and e at 2 over 3 pi I, and e at minus pi over 6I equal, this is, and this equation, and this is large A. then this is, and this is, and two-side multiple 2, and this is, and two-side multiple 3 plus root 3I, and then, and calculate equal large A equal, and 2 over 3 times root 3 times pi. Okay? And about P, if this is that equal large R times E at I sheet, the range of sheet, this is, and this value small or equal, and this is absolute, and E at minus 3I theta multiple equals, this is, and this value is small or equal, and this R close to infinite, then this is close to 0. Okay, I could say